This just in, British police have arrested an 18-year-old man in connection with the subway blast that left more than 24 people injured. He is being held for questioning under the Terrorism Act, but has not been charged or identified.
This morning, the subway station has reopened, but the terror level in the UK has increased to critical. This is the 5th major attack in Britain this year.
There are fears that another attack in London may be looming. CBS 2's Jessica Layton reports.
As ambulances rushed in to help the walking wounded, the people who'd been on board the packed commuter train were panicking.
I've never had the feeling of I'm about to die. We all just piled off the train and was running for our lives.
Creating a stampede as they ran from the rush hour subway blast that could be heard and smelled all over this tube station in southwest London.
Burning hair, burning skin.
29 people were injured in the moments after the homemade bomb, comprised of Christmas lights, a timer, and loose screws blew up. Here in New York, 3,500 miles from London, counterterrorism officers and explosive detecting canines are out in force at major transit areas, as they always are after a major incident.
In New York, we live with the reality that we are the most targeted city in the United States by terrorist plots.
President Trump insists the U.S. and its allies will not be intimidated.
Radical Islamic terrorism, it will be eradicated, believe me.
Earlier in the day, he tweeted, "Loser terrorists are sick and demented people who were in the sights of Scotland Yard." That seemed to hit a nerve with leaders in London.
I never think it's helpful for anybody to speculate on what is an ongoing investigation.
Millions of people use the New York City subway system every day, so there is no way that police can possibly check every single person and their bags. And so, even without a specific threat to our city, the NYPD is reminding riders to report anything that seems suspicious. In the newsroom, Jessica Layton, CBS 2 News.